Once we have created our scanner object, we are ready to use the methods in the scanner class. These are the methods that will wait for a user to enter information while the code is running. There are many methods in the scanner class, but we will focus mainly on the following three: nextInt, nextDouble, and nextLine. These methods allow a user to enter an int, double, or string into the console. Then the computer can store this input in a variable and use the information later. Let's say we have already declared and initialized our scanner variable and named it input. Now we want to know what the user's favorite color is. First, we print the console message, "What is your favorite color?" Next, we create a variable to store the information that the user enters and tell the computer to collect this information. Since a color name is a string, we use the method input.nextLine. After the user has entered this information, we can use that information later in our code. They will see a prompt in the console. The computer will wait for an answer. The user can enter a string, and then in the console, the user will see a message using that information they just entered. In the same way, we could get an integer or a double from the user by using nextInt or nextDouble. You don't need to create a new scanner object every time you collect input from the user. You can continue to use the same object. However, when you are done collecting input, it's important to close the scanner because scanner uses computer resources. All we have to do is type the name of the scanner followed by .close. Think of this like hanging up your phone. If you kept the phone connected, you'd use up all your battery. We can collect all kinds of user input information by using the scanner class.